Hello guys. Today we learn about how to use slider layout in Ultimate Portfolio. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Install Ultimate Portfolio plugin. Click on Pages, Add New. Write any title name. Click on Add button to add the Ultimate Portfolio. First, select a content source you need. Click on Upload Media to add images. Click on Continue. Choose any layout you need. Click on Continue. Choose any quick selection you need. You can use drag and drop functionality. Now click on Publish button. Click on View Page. Ultimate Portfolio is successful on your page. Go to Edit Page. Click any one image. Go to General Settings. You can set image count. You can show display caption. Display description. Display category. Set column according your devices. You can also set columns. Set image gaps. Now click on Update button. Go to Publish page, and refresh a page. Your page settings has been changed successfully. Go to Edit Page and click on Slider option. Choose one slider style. You can set transition speed during slide. Also set autoplay speed. Select on and off to set slide auto height. Set image size in pixel. Select on and off, pause on mouse over. Select on and off, center slide. You can set slide loop. Also set display navigation arrows. Set display pagination bullets. And show basic and display dynamic bullets. Now click on Update button. And go to Publish page, and refresh a page. Your page settings has been changed successfully. I am showing slider option settings for this page. Go to Edit Page and click on Slider option. For example, I am showing all slider styles one by one. Display caption is not looking good. I am hiding display caption. Fade style is run on one column. All slider style is work on your page. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.